Hello friends, in this video we're going to take a look at the Deepcoin exchange together. This exchange is made for real traders with passion. The main focus of this brand is on providing advanced and precise trading products with the utmost enthusiasm and dedication. The brand's value is driven by passion. The mission of this exchange is the continuous optimization and provision of high-level trading tools for traders. The story of Deepcoin began with a group of trading enthusiasts. A place where intelligence, speed, and passion are intertwined. Deepcoin's products are designed like Swiss watchmaking. Precise, fast, and meticulous in every small interaction. Every trade is like driving a Ferrari. With precision, power, and excitement, our adventure began in 2019, leading up to the official launch of the Deepcoin brand in 2020 and the development of financial and crypto products. In 2021, we entered international markets and developed innovative tools. We were recognized among the top 10 fintech innovators and enhanced our portfolio capabilities. 2023, Shaping the Future. Obtained the DMCC license in Dubai and launched a $10 million fund for Web 3.0. In 2024, acquired a license from Hong Kong TCSB and partnered with Cotrell. 2025, Continuous Innovation. Merged with Korea's Coin One exchange, making Deepcoin the 7th global platform. To register on Deepcoin, click on Register. You can sign up using either your email or your mobile phone number. Here, we chose email. You can also link your account to MetaMask, Google, or Telegram and create an account. In this section, you enter your email address along with a password. I recommend using a minimum of 8 characters and a maximum of 20 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. If you have a referral code, enter it here, and finally, click on Create Account. A code will be sent to your email for email verification. You log into your email. On the Bitcoin page, copy the code provided and enter it in this section. You will enter your account dashboard. Your account has been created, and to verify your identity, you click on this option. In the Identity Verification section, you can see the features and limitations of the first level of verification, as well as the required items and the verification time. To perform this operation, you click on Verify Now. You confirm the identity verification rules by checking the box and then click Continue. You select your country of residence and the documents you want to upload, which you can choose from categories such as ID card, passport, residence permit, and driver's license. If you prefer to continue with your mobile phone, you click on this option for the steps, and if you want to proceed with the current system, you click on this option. In the next step, you need to take a photo of the front and back of your ID card. If you want to change the selected document, you click on this option and make the change. Friends, if you would like to watch the complete identity verification tutorial for Deepcoin Exchange, you can view it on our YouTube channel. We enter the account dashboard. The first option is Market. You can see the highest growth for BTC/USDT and also ETH/USDT. And at the bottom, you can see the Markets section categorized into Market, Favorites, and New Coin Discovery. The Market and New Coin Discovery sections are divided into 3 categories: Spot, USDT Perpetual, and Inverse Perpetual. And after making a trade on Deepcoin, this section will be displayed for you. In the Trade section, the first option is Instant Swap. This feature lets you instantly swap cryptocurrencies with just one click, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. No need for complicated settings. It's fast, simple, and hassle-free. All you have to do is select the cryptocurrency you want, plus the currency you want to convert it to. You enter the desired amount. You review the details of this conversion, and to confirm the operation, you click on this option. After it's completed, you can see the swap history in the Convert History section. The next option is Spot, which takes you to the Spot Trading section. Here, you can select the cryptocurrency you want. For example, you can choose BTC/USDT, select a time frame from 1 minute to 12 hours, and view the TradingView chart in this section. You can see the order book here, which provides information about the sellers and buyers. To start trading, you can use sections like Buy and Sell, and begin trading with market, limit, conditional, and indicator orders. All you need to do is enter the desired amount in this section, set your preferences, and click on this option. You also have quick access to sections like Deposit, so let's go into the Deposit section. We enter the desired currency along with the network, and to make a deposit, we enter this address in our wallet or scan this QR code to start the deposit. Please note that the minimum deposit for TRC20 is $1, and it requires one confirmation. And in this section, you can also switch the selected account between categories like funding account, spot account, and USDT perpetual account. And if you would like to watch the deposit tutorial video for Deepcoin exchange, you can view it on our YouTube channel. You can also go to the transfer section as well. You just need to select the source and destination accounts. Additionally, you enter the desired amount in currency and click this option to confirm the transfer. After trading in the spot section, down here you can view the status of your orders in areas like assets, orders, copy, order history, and more. You can also adjust the order history settings by currency categories, market, limit, and other options, as well as by date. The spot section is for transparent and direct cash trades, and its advantages include full control over buying and selling, making it suitable for technical analysts, and support for various currencies. The API section is related to automated trading using the API. This section is suitable for programmers and algorithmic traders. It allows you to connect to bots and automated strategies, and also provides high speed in executing trading commands. And you can find the API guide in sections like Python demo, Golang demo, and the Telegram API discussion group. In the demo trading section, you enter a risk-free simulated trading environment, which is suitable for newcomers who want to test new strategies. It has a simulated environment similar to the real account section and doesn't require actual investment. To return to your real account, you can click on Back to Live Trading and enter your real account. In the derivatives section, the first option is USDT contracts. In this section, contracts such as margin, profit and loss, and pricing are all done with USDT Tether. You deposit Tether, and your profits and losses are calculated in Tether. The advantages of this section include its simplicity and ease of understanding, no margin fluctuation, and flexibility in trading. This section is suitable for beginners and those who prefer simplicity and stability. The next option is coin margin contracts, where margin contracts and profit and loss are settled with the main cryptocurrency itself, like Bitcoin for BTC contracts. However, the pricing is in dollars. One of the advantages of this section is that if you are a holder and keep a specific cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, for the long term, you can use that same crypto as margin. Also, if you make a profit, you earn it in that same cryptocurrency, allowing you to accumulate more of it. The disadvantages of this section include the complexity of P&L and the risk of margin volatility. In the copy section, the first option is spot copy trading. Here you can copy the instant spot buy and sell trades of a professional trader. The goal of this part is to follow market trends and profit from price and asset fluctuations in real-time trades. All you need to do is select the desired account, and by clicking on Copy, you will copy that trader's trades. You can view this section under both the copy and lead categories. The next option is contract copy trading. In this section, you can copy the futures contract trades of top traders. This includes perpetual contracts such as USDT contracts or coin margin contracts, which we explained earlier. The goal of this section is to make it easier to profit from leveraged and more complex trades by relying on the experience of others. You can find this section under the copy, lead, and strategy categories. The next option, strategy copy trading, allows you to easily replicate an entire trading strategy created by top traders. This can include more complex strategies with predefined rules and parameters. The goal of this section is to take advantage of proven strategies without the need to create and manage them manually. This often includes trading bots or specific algorithms. In the rewards section, you can find Deepcoin Exchange's rewards, which you can receive after completing the tasks specified in the bonus type section. All you need to do is click on this option to join, and after completing the specified task, you will receive the reward. The more section is divided into 3 categories: rewards, content, and more. In the rewards section, the first option is VR VIP affiliate, where you can become a business partner by referring others to Deepcoin and earn commission from their trades. This section is suitable for those who are interested in inviting and earning income from referring new users. The next option is the Event Center. In this section, you can join various Deepcoin events and campaigns and receive great rewards. All you need to do is click on Go to register and then click Apply to become a member of that event. You can view this section under the categories of In Progress and Completed. And in the Completed section, you can also see information under Past Activities and Activity Types. With the Invite Friends option, you can receive up to 30% discount on trading fees by inviting your friends. All you need to do is copy the provided code and share it. If you want to change the information, click on this option and make your changes. And to copy this information, click on Share Link. If you want to create new information, click on New and you can select the information among the commission categories from 0% up to 30%. And you can click on the Set as Default option, and to save, click on Confirm. The next option is Announcement Center. You can get the latest news and important platform updates from here right from the start. This section is used to stay informed about new cryptocurrency listings, rule changes, system updates, and so on. In the blog section, you can read Deepcoin's official news and analytical articles all in one place. This section is for gaining deeper insights about the market, analyses, and Deepcoin's own news. The next option is the Help Center, which is where you can find guides and answers to frequently asked questions. For example, how to guide spot, futures contracts trading, strategy tools, and operation promotion. You can also search for your desired guide in this section and view it as an article at the bottom. The next option is Basic Guide, which covers fundamental concepts and how to use the platform for beginners. The next option, Spot Trading, includes guides related to instant buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. Derivatives Trading provides specialized guides about futures contracts and leverage. Strategy Tools provides information about more advanced trading tools or bots. In the Marketing Promotion section, you'll find information about Deepcoin's campaigns and promotional programs. In this section, you have quick access to the Invite Friends feature. Also, Deposit, which we have already explained to you. The next option is the User menu, where you have access to information about your account, such as your UID, which you can copy by clicking on this option. You can see the status of your account verification, and the first option is Wallet Overview. In this section, you can view your personal information. To change your name, click on this option, enter your new name, and then click Confirm to save your name. You can see your account balance. You can change the desired currency and have quick access to the deposit, withdraw, and transfer sections. You can view your activity status in this section, and you can set it to show data from the past 7 days, 30 days, 3 months, or 6 months. And in the final section, you can select your accounts among the account categories, which include funding account, swap account, spot account, and copy. Also, in the crypto section, after activity, you can add a crypto account. In the overview section, you can see information such as your account balance, as well as your history. Additionally, if you want to hide your information, you can click on this option to conceal the details. You also have quick access to sections like Convert and History. You can review your accounts within the swap account categories and their items, such as inverse contract, Bands contract, and commission account. In addition to the spot account, there's the follow-up account, which takes you to the copy account section, and this is divided into 2 categories, swap account and spot account. You can do them, and in the account settings section, the first option is security settings, which takes you to the security settings section, where you can configure settings among categories like passkey, phone authentication, email authentication, and Google Authenticator. All you need to do is click on the desired button and apply the security settings. In the Advanced Security section, you can apply advanced security settings, such as password, asset code, and anti-phishing code, where by clicking on Change, you can change your password and so on. And in the Withdrawal Whitelist section, you can also modify and confirm your withdrawal settings. By clicking on this option in the Device Management section, you can monitor or remove devices that have logged into your account. By clicking on this option, you can view the login history and account activity in this section. The next option is Identity Verification, which is used for verifying your identity on Deepcoin. If you'd like to watch a complete tutorial on identity verification in Deepcoin, you can check it out on our YouTube channel. The next option is API Management, about which we've already provided some explanations regarding the API. If you want to switch your account to another one, click on this option, go to the Switch Account section, and by clicking on that account, you can add the desired account and gain access to it. To log out of your account, click on Logout. If you want to download the Deepcoin app, you can click on this option and download the app by scanning the QR code. And if you want to download the app for other operating systems, click on this option, and by selecting your desired operating system, such as iOS, Android, or Android as an APK file, you can download the Deepcoin app. To view notifications, click on this option and you can see the notifications, which are categorized into groups like System Announcement, Trade Announcement, Copy Trading Announcement, Operational Announcement, and History Announcement, as well as price alerts. To change the language and account currency, click on this option. In this section, you can change the language, and in this part, you can change the account currency. To change the website theme, click on this option and you can switch the theme from dark mode to light mode. To contact Deepcoin Live support, click on this option, and to connect with a human, type Talk to Human, and we will quickly connect you to a live human support agent. Friends, this was the review of the Deepcoin exchange. Wishing you success until the next video.